Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Working President ka UDP ubadeiru Menteri Sorkar uba polling doa ula Kyntu ya kaseng Hnlc National Liberation Council bakan Weng ya ka Jingïakren Ïasuk. Habakran bekilat pathai Kubor menta kasengi kasantarik ukalalingkot arhajar arpusaw Halor ka jingkam jo ka Hnlc baka Sorkar kamshem kiai kimat melawan ra da kaseng na kaliang uba pol uloong baulai iling bakilat pathai ya ka Jingweng no ka Hnlc ya ka Jingïakren Ïasuk Henry kampat dan kanu ka Ïakren ka pamarkman. Kumta nakliang uni Menteri Sorkar ula Kyntu ka Hnlc bakan Weng ka Jingïakren Ïasuk na marladeb Ïakren ya shibun tili kimat. Nangta uba pol lapen pauru da kabaong ba unged bakinla benang Ïakren syu yikiwei pat kikam kibanla ban yahun na baro arliang. Ha kejuk kapor uloong ba Sorkar kan sa shimkia ban Ïakren Halor kani tat hadu delawan pai Menteri rangba Shenong ba shalom.
We have only seen those reports in the media, but officially nothing has been communicated to us as well. So first, I would appeal to the Hnlc not to pull out of the peace talks because a lot of ground has been covered initially, and we would hope that good sense will prevail and we should be able to return to the negotiating table. Well, since both the Chief Minister and the Home Minister are out of station, I will not be in a position to say much, but certainly the government will take a call on the matter, and it should be happening very soon once the CM is back. Once the Honourable CM and Deputy CM in charge home are in town, this will be a priority matter.
One condition that the Hnlc has been harping on was to grant them general amnesty so that to facilitate their coming. So what's your view on this?
Well, it certainly can be considered depending on the gravity of each of the cases registered. But certainly, yes, it should be and it will be considered.
What if cases like NIA has taken over then charge sheeted?
See, those are matters of detail, but in general, the approach should be that when you have peace talks, it should not be to the detriment of any section and to the interest of only one section. So it has to be reciprocal. Based on the principle of reciprocity, then only we can take a stand on matters of detail. But the general approach would be that has to be effective.